Hello friends, this is Umesh Arora from CAD/CAM Solution Minute, and today we will create this part. So here we have two views. One is front view and second is section from AA. This is my section AA, where I can see this section which is 68 from the right, and some 3D views are there. So I will start from this. First of all, I am going to create this head, and later I will create the center line, and after that I will create the section for this. So let's start with the annex, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe our channel. So here select this sketch, and I'm going to create from this YZ and draw a line. So I'm starting from here. This is my center line, and which is 77 in length, and align this line to the origin, make them point on curve. Okay, now select this profile, and I'm clicking here and a little bit perpendicular, then taper and a little bit below perpendicular, and inside again perpendicular and close to this point. Okay, now double click and change this angle to 90, and so now define the all dimension and click this, or I do one thing, I am going to mirror this line only, not all the lines. Just change it to single line, and my single line is this and center line is this. And before that, don't convert the line into center line, or if you want, select this and okay. So here in our case, I'm not converting this line in center line, and draw an arc, and the radius of this arc is 70, and this length is 44, and again 32. So select here from this point to center, this from this point to this point, it is 32, and here first double click over it. 80 is a diameter, so 40 will be the radius, and define the angle. And first I'm going to define this angle. So this is at an angle of, this line is angular 60 from the horizontal, and close. And again here from this line to this is 84, means half of 84 is 42, and here this gap is from this point to this. Okay, it is not coming, so I'm creating one more line which is perpendicular and cut it. Now again define this dimension from this to this line, and this gap is 65. Okay, 32 already I have defined. 77, the last dimension is 77, and this is 4. And again from the top to this last line is 77, which is already coming. So delete this, and my sketch is fully constrained. Now just click over this line and convert to reference, and same here, construction line, and same for this. Now finish it, and I'm going to revolve this section So here we have this revolve, section is this, my axis is this, angle is 360 degree, and close. So my first step is complete. If you want to hide this sketch. And for next step I'm selecting the same plane, and here I'm starting with a line and click for second, press the left click and drag. Arc will come automatically and my arc is touching to this center. Now dimension it, this length is 68, and here this radius, wait, and the radius is 223, and the total length is from here to this. So this is 13 minus 8 is 5, so 180 minus 5 is 180, and close, and say this. Okay, my sketch is fully constrained, no need to define this gap. Okay, it is already defined, so if you want to define that, so we have to delete this one. So anyone you can define, finish it. And now datum plane, and one datum plane here, and in this plane sketch. Okay, and my section is a circle. Now dimension it, dimension of the circle is 28, so change it to 28, finish. Again one more plane which is at the end of this curve, and drag it to resize this plane, and I'm going to create next sketch over this space. Okay, and my section is here AA, which is here the same section I'm getting here. So first I'm selecting this. So start from circle, my circle is 12 is the radius, 24 will be the diameter, and same one more diameter, and align vertically and align this center to the vertical axis. Okay, and the distance, for distance I'm selecting this upper point and the lower point of this, and this gap is 40, and select an arc and draw a arc with tangent. So here also it is tangent. Now double click, and this arc is 35 in radius, change it to 35, and same here 35, close. And from the geometrical constraint I'm selecting this tangent, tangent, and draw one more line. Okay, use the trim option. Okay, and the midpoint of this will be placed at this point, so make them coincident. Okay, so sketch is fully constrained, finish it. And again one more plane which is at the section, so drag. Okay, and create another sketch over this new plane, and same I am doing here. Draw 24, one more 24, and align vertically with this, and use this arc, 35 is the radius, and here also 35 is the radius, and use this tangent, make them tangent and tangent. Draw a line between center to center and place first trim. This center point will be placed at this point. Right. Now my sketch is defined. Though we have to define this 40, means this outer to this outer, this is 40. Now my sketch is properly placed and properly defined. Finish it, and first if you want to hide it, so it will be easier for us to create this sketch. So I am using this swept, and first I am clicking this section, arrow is going anti-clockwise, add, and next is here, add, and third one is here, and my guide curve is this, which is connected curve, so it will connect like this. And here I am selecting this alignment to point and preserve shape, and line will show, and zoom it and drag to match this lines. Okay, almost it is. Okay, my lines are properly now, and change this to blend, so section will come like this, and click OK. See, okay, if you want to hide this, just deselect this preserve shape, so line will not come, shape will show, and show this again, and select this unite to combine these two solid, and here we have to extrude, so select and extrude this circle, so this is shape, no problem, and 5 is the distance. See, we have already subtract reduce one 5 mm, so 5 is this, apply and close. Okay, something is not properly, so undo and extrude, select single curve and 5, and okay. Okay, now it is properly extrude over this face, and next circle is 24 in diameter, 24 diameter, finish and extrude it 8, so extrude this circle 8 mm and unite. Okay, we have to define one plate here, and the plate is 2 mm, so click and okay. Now hide all the planes and sketches, and make the shell, so I am selecting this shell. One is the thickness, I want to remove this face and this face as well, click, hide this sketch and this sketch. So this is the result. Hope you got it. If you like this, please press the like button. Thank you for watching.